Hi, Devanagari text looking broken in InDesign or Illustrator? Do this. I want to write this motto, Udayam Ajastram. Generally, what I do, I take the screenshot and upload it on Gemini, right? As you can see that, I got it. I'll copy this, paste it inside the InDesign. As you can see that, it is not supporting. For that, I'll select this and change the typeface, right? I'll make it Devanagari. After that, when you compare it with the Gemini one, they both look different, right? Udayam and Ajastram, right? In order to fix it, select your text box, go to Window, Type and Tables, Paragraph, right? After that, you have to go to the hamburger menu and click on this Adobe World Ready Paragraph Composer, right? As you can see that this is matching with the Gemini one, right? Udayam, Ajastram. Now, if you look at it, this is Udyam, this is Udyam, right? They are not matching. For that, we have to manually fix it. First, I'll remove this there, right? After that, I'll go to Window, go to Type and Tables, Glyphs, right? For that, I'll scroll up, right? I'll try to find the K, K, G, E, right? This is the. I'll double click on it. After that, ya, right? This is ya. I'll click on this, right? After that, scroll down, this, here it is. I'll double click on it, right? As you can see that this is perfectly matched, right? Udayam Ajastram. Thank you.